I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Yo, the boy they run about, Eh? Me can't hear. God, turn on that now. Yo, not it. Bro, what the fuck, bro? How much time me I call you and tell you turn on this up my youth? You go deaf me? I was listening to that. I'm hungry now in a dog. You know no food in here. Hey. We can't keep it. What the fuck you want, Greg? Good evening, sir. You shut up. Why the fuck you in my room, Greg? Billy, me ain't night this morning. Me just tell you keep it down. Dude, what the fuck? I'm in my own room. Me can't see that. Me dep on the phone I deal with business. Bill for pay. So me know I hear no night. If you deal with the man, so the man just bro, I'm not gonna sit here and let him talk to me like that. So what you gonna do? Me tell you any day you cross the line, put your hand on me and rock. You not even my dad, Greg. You my stepdad. You not think me know that, Billy? You're white, me black. Me think I'm your father. Shut up! You know, let me shut up. You're right, man. I'm sick of this shit, bro. Hold on there. Let me tell you the reason why your mother left. She couldn't deal with you. That's why. She run out left me. Talk with your fucking ass. Bitch. Bro, I wanna fucking kill this nigga, bro. That's why me couldn't find the knife. I hope you have my knife, Aki. You wanna go home, you. Me and my mother call me. Bro, sit your fucking ass back down, bro. Me and your friend. Listen to me, Greg. I'm gonna go to fucking Trabass house. You can leave anytime you want, you know. Fucking herbs, okay? And you not gonna stop me. I know we are friend and thing, but I think we can do them something over my yard, you know. Nobody attack to you? No, sir. You are going me just attack. Get up and come out. Bro, sit down, bro. Me say fi get up and come out. Me another game something, you know. Craig, get the fuck out my room for the last time. You stress me out and I kill me, I go kill you, you know. Look boy, you bite me. Two. Fuck with me and I call child service on your ass. I'm fed up with you. Swear to God, bro. I'm gonna kill him in his fucking sleep, bro. Start up back again. Alright.
Oh lie, if your man know him woulda cry. Tell him a lie. Oh, you and I, hear him why if you do. Tell him one more lie and come out and dance again. Oh yeah, you give me one bad wine last night. You know me want some again. Tell him one more lie and come out and dance again. Oh yeah, you give me one bad wine last night. You know me want some again.